We have a Kelvinator top-load washing machine, and we will explain the issue it is facing and how we resolved it. Look at this lid lock assembly. The lock mechanism fits into the machine's door slot, and this door switch operates in a series connection. When the electrical current passes through the series circuit, the switch gets energized. You can see that this locking point engages and then returns from the bottom side. This entire mechanism controls the spin and drain system of the machine. If this door switch fails to function, neither the spin cycle nor the drain system will work properly. Now, our challenge is to install a different door switch in this washing machine because its original switch is not available in the market. We have already removed the cover, and this is the slot where the lock fits. Let me show you. When electricity flows through the system, the mechanism works in such a way that the lock engages with this bracket. Once locked, the door cannot be opened while the machine is operating. Now, we will install a different door switch here and show you step by step how to do it properly. Now look, we will prepare a mechanism for the door switch installation. First, we need to make a strong plate that will hold the switch securely. To do this, we will mark the exact position where the door switch should be placed. The door switch needs to fit here, so we will cut the plate accordingly to ensure a perfect fit. Look, we have prepared the angle bracket, and now we need to install it here. To secure it properly, we have pre-drilled holes for the screws in machine's frame. We will make holes in angle bracket as well. Now, the holes are ready, and we will proceed with the next steps to complete the installation. Let's go into further details. We will further trim the bracket from this section to ensure a proper fit. Now look, the final shape is ready, and it is perfectly designed for installation. Next, we will show you how to install it step by step. I have prepared all the necessary components for installation. Here is the angle bracket, and the plate will be positioned on top of it. To prevent electric shocks, a rubber cover will be placed over it for safety. We have a micro switch, which needs to be installed in the machine. This switch operates in a series connection and has a capacity of 16 amperes. Before installing, I have created space in the bracket for proper adjustment. You can see this screw, which is used for fine-tuning the position of the switch. I will explain its purpose later. The second screw is used to secure the switch firmly onto the angle bracket. The adjustment screw is in place, and next, we will install the base screw to fix everything securely. Now you can see that the micro switch has been installed in the bracket. You can also notice the adjustment mechanism, which allows us to fine-tune the switch position according to the door's alignment. This adjustment system works like this, ensuring that the switch is positioned precisely. Now, the installation is complete, and I will show you how to adjust it properly. Look, when we open and close the door, the switch is not making proper contact yet, so we will adjust it according to our requirement to ensure it functions correctly. Now, watch closely. When the door closes, the switch is activated and starts working. At this position, we will tighten the adjustment screw to secure everything in place. Once this is done, our work will be complete. Now, the connections have been installed, and you can see that the wiring is properly set up. At this point, the machine is fully assembled and the electrical installation is complete. Now, let me show you the switch. This is the final installed switch. Let's start the machine and see if everything is working properly. The machine has powered on successfully. Now, when we lift the cover, the machine automatically stops, and when we close the cover, it resumes operation. I hope this video has provided you with valuable information. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.